Okay, today I'm just going to quickly show you an overview of some of the security cable products that TECNI manufacture, our standard range of security cables. So we offer these online, and there's a good reason for buying these from us because we can actually make these cables to any length that you want. So there's a lot of applications that these go into that you can't get off-the-shelf products for. So for example, if you want to lock down garden furniture in a large restaurant or outside a pub, you can run the cable all the way through. It's plastic coated, so it's not going to snag on your customers' legs and things like that. Also, we've actually developed the security cables to be very, very strong. So the little eye fittings that we put on the end are as strong as a cable. So even this little 2mm cable here is good for about 250 kilos, about 1/4 of a ton breaking strength. We got a 5mm version here. This is good for over a ton breaking strength. And this is one of the larger products that we do. This is a 6mm cable up the middle. This one actually has stainless swage ends on it, and it's got a breaking strength over 2 tons, this product. So we do this one also with the loops like this. So that's another product that we have available in this size. But this particular one, we've developed these swage fittings for, so they're stainless steel, and you can choke it through, so you could put it around things like a lamp post or around a fence post, and you see it lassos up like that, and it gives you much more usable length of cable, so you can reeve this all the way through products and then put a padlock through this end, so that will stop it then pulling back through. Okay, so hopefully that's a quick overview of our capabilities here at TECNI. We can pretty much manufacture any length of these security cables, and we can do lots of custom colours for you. So if you need a production run of, say, yellow version, we can do it. So if you just contact us about that, it's not a problem. Thanks a lot for your time today.